Hey, would you like to know something strange? Let's start this journey by getting rid of everything familiar to you. Let's remove Earth, our solar system, and our galaxy. Now let's step outside of it to have a look at yourself. You can hardly make anything out. You're a tiny speck lost in the immensity of the cosmos. It seems insignificant, but maybe it's exactly where you need to be. Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to explore multiverse theory and find out our place in the vastness of the universe. Are we alone? Is there more than one world? Does everyone choose literal new reality? These questions and many more will be answered in this video, so watch till the end. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more videos of breathtaking discoveries, incredible facts, and the most recent news from the world of science. In the meantime, you can press the like button and comment below. The smartest comments will be awarded. If you think that's a lot, hold on, let me show you something else. What everything you've ever done, every single thing, every decision, action, thought was just a tiny part of something much bigger? It's hard to understand, even harder to believe, but this is how the theory of the multiverse makes us see ourselves and our world. But first things first, let's have a look at the observable universe. Now let's go a little further and zoom out to see some nearby galaxy clusters. Then let's push out to a scale where you can see the whole galaxy web. There is an image created by NASA's Sloan Digital Sky Survey. It includes around 2 million galaxies and covers about 1 billion cubic light years. But that's not enough to satisfy our curiosity. The insatiable desire to know more leads us to the edge of the observable universe. Let's take a brief pause to appreciate the sheer magnitude of what lies before us. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light years in all directions, containing trillions upon trillions of galaxies, each with its own trillions of stars and planets. We're situated right in the middle of this vast expanse, orbiting a rather average star in a rather average galaxy. Yet, despite being just one tiny speck among countless others, we humans have managed to discover the secrets of the entire universe. Or have we? Even though the cosmic microwave background radiation is the farthest thing we can see, scientists believe that the real universe extends far beyond this limit. To help visualize this, let's imagine the observable universe as a balloon. As the balloon expands, the points on its surface move apart from each other. Now imagine a small patch on the balloon's surface, and this patch represents our observable universe. So everything outside of it remains invisible to us, yet it still exists. And the boundaries of our observable universe are constantly shifting and expanding. The fact that we can't see beyond our observable universe doesn't mean it doesn't exist. There is a lot more out there waiting to be discovered. But the question arises, how much more? One way to answer this question is through the concept of the Big Bang model. According to this model, the universe began with a massive explosion and has been expanding ever since. However, this brings up another issue. If the universe has been expanding all along, shouldn't everything be flying away from us at an ever increasing speed? Well, yes, it should. But observations show that the expansion of the universe is actually slowing down, which means there must be a force pulling everything together, um, counteracting the expansion. And scientists refer to this force as a dark energy. They say that dark energy is a force field that permeates all of space and exerts a negative pressure, causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. However, they cannot explain where it comes from or why it exists. Dark energy is a reminder of how much we don't know about the universe. Despite all our advancements in technology and understanding, there are still things that we can't explain. Let's try to understand what lies beyond our visible universe by watching the Big Bang animation expand until it reaches the edge of the screen. Now, pause and try to comprehend the unfathomable vastness of space. Hold on, because what you see is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more out there. Our story begins around 13.8 million years ago with the Big Bang. At this point, space only covered a distance of 10 to the minus 43 meters. In less than a nanosecond, it inflated to a colossal 10 to the 27 meters. And this rapid expansion is known as inflation. And during this period, our universe grew larger than it is today. However, inflation didn't cause the formation of matter, stars, or galaxies. Those came later. This is a timeline marking significant moments in the history of the universe. Here is the Big Bang and then the emergence of subatomic particles, atoms, stars, galaxies, and finally life on Earth. Let's come back to the moment when space inflated rapidly. Some scientists believe that this expansion didn't happen uniformly everywhere. Different regions expanded at varying rates, leading to the formation of multiple universes. This means that besides ours, there might be other universes where the laws of physics operate differently, where time flows backward, where gravity repels instead of attracts. In other words, there could be parallel universe or alternate realities coexisting alongside our own. This idea may seem like a product of science fiction, but it's actually rooted in scientific principles. Ever wondered if every choice you make creates a split in reality, leading to multiple universes where different outcomes come to pass? This concept is explored in the many worlds theory, which proposes that every quantum even causes the universe to split into many parallel universes. Each possibility becomes a reality in some other universe. For example, if you choose between coffee or tea, one universe chooses coffee while another chooses tea. And scientists have proposed various models of the multiverse. One such model is called brain cosmology. According to this model, this universe consists of higher dimensional spaces called brains. These brains can interact with each other, collide, or pass through one another. Our universe exists on a three-dimensional brain, but there could be other brains and universes existing in higher dimensions. But wait, what does this have to do with you? By understanding the multiverse theory, we gain a deep appreciation of the complexity and wonder of the universe. It challenges our perception of reality and expands our understanding of what is possible. Moreover, exploring the multiverse helps us to refine our theories and models of the physical world. By contemplating these theories, we can better understand our place in the grand scheme of things. It encourages us to be curious and open minded about the mysteries of the universe. The idea that there might be other universes out there also sparks our imagination and creativity. It inspires us to think beyond the confines of our own reality and consider the infinite possibilities that exist. Ultimately, the multiverse theory serves as a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the universe and our place within it. But how can we prove the existence of a multiverse? One intriguing possibility lies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Scientists have discovered a cold spot in the CMB that appears to be a vast region of low temperature. This anomaly could be the evidence of a collision between our universe and another. Another approach involves studying anomalies in gravitational lensing. By observing distortions in the images of distant galaxies, scientists can infer the presence of dark matter and dark energy. Analyzing these anomalies might provide insights into the nature of the multiverse. Additionally, scientists are searching for echoes of other universes that could have collapsed before our own came into existence. By detecting these echoes, we might uncover signs of the multiverse. There are also mathematical approaches to exploring the multiverse. String theory and M theory suggest that our universe is just one of many existing in higher dimensions. By studying these theories, scientists hope to unravel the complexities of the multiverse. So, is there any evidence to support the multiverse theory? Currently, there is no direct evidence to confirm or refute the theory. It remains a topic of ongoing research and debate among scientists. However, some anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation and gravitational lensing have sparked interest in the theory. To sum up, the multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one among many existing simultaneously. This idea challenges our understanding of reality and offers a glimpse into the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. While there is currently no direct evidence to support the theory, it continues to inspire scientific inquiry and debate. Now, we want to hear your opinion. So, what do you think about the multiverse theory? Does it change your perspective on reality? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we conclude this journey, remember that even the vastness of the multiverse, you are here now, and that in itself is a remarkable coincidence. Thank you for watching us on this exploration of the multiverse. We hope you enjoy this journey through the wonders of the cosmos. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. We value your input and are always striving to improve. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and keep questioning the mysteries of the universe.